Creating a course can be a big hassle, especially if you are a newbie in this field. First of all, you have to create courses with many materials such as images, videos, chapters, and so many other types of materials. So to create these materials and to gather them all in one place, you have to use some tools, and then after creating the course, you have to host that course on a particular website. So all of these steps take a long time, and the worst part is they also cost you a lot of money. So if you want a solution to these problems, I have just the right solution. So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel to never miss our uploads. I am back with another review, and today I am going to review a great tool for course creators, which is Teachify. So Teachify allows you to build your website, and then you can create courses, you can monetize your courses, and the best part is Teachify doesn't only let you create courses, it also lets you create digital downloads, memberships, events, and so many other types of things. So as you can see, these are the plans currently Teachify is offering. You can also buy their premium add-on, and let's see what can you create with Teachify. So obviously you can create online courses, membership, digital downloads, coaching sessions. You can also live stream, and you can add embeddable widgets, and there are a lot of integration options available with Teachify. A great news is Teachify is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So by paying only $39, you can get lifetime access to this amazing deal, and keep in mind the regular pricing is $600, so you are getting 94% off on Appsumo. Teachify is an alternative to Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific. Now let's have a look at the features. So here are all the features of this Teachify Appsumo deal, and these are the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So you can buy the tier 1 with $39. Keep in mind, if you buy this tier 1, your courses will have 2.5% transaction fee that will go to Teachify, but if you choose the tier 2 or tier 3, there is no transaction fee. There are some other tiers, the highest one is tier 5. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Teachify, you will get this dashboard, and from here you can see some stats, the amount of courses you have, the amount of students, the net revenue, and some other stats. So from the left side of the dashboard, you can start using the features, the primary features of Teachify. So first you can share blog post among your students. So let's see the options. So as you can see, you have to fill some boxes such as title, subtitle, excerpt. You can also set the custom link for your post URL, and then you have to paste your content here. And on the right side, you can upload the cover photo for your content. You can select the category, some tags, and the access type. So it could be with login, it could be paid, or it could be public access. And then you can also share digital downloads to your students. For that, you have to click on this new digital downloads, and then you have to name it, and then you can set a price for it. So let's say $10, and then click on create. So now you have to provide some details about your digital download. So obviously we have given the name and the price. You can also upload the cover photo, and then you can provide some description about your download. And obviously once again you can set the custom URL for the digital download that you are creating. So what about the content? You have to provide some content on that digital download, right? For that you have to go to this content section, and then you can either upload the files that you want to share with your audience. You can also provide the link of the file on this section. You can also set some other settings such as the review and ratings. So from here you can see the reviews, and if you want to change some settings, go to these settings, and from here you can enable if you want to have the review section on this digital download that you are creating. So once again, let's go to the dashboard. So this is the digital download dashboard. From here you can see the amount of sales volume and the amount of revenue. So let's go to the main dashboard, and then after digital download you can also create events. For that, click on this plus icon, and then you have to provide the name, the URL, the start date of the event, the end date, and the description. And then you can provide some other info such as the event should have live streams, right? So you can either choose Zoom, or you can also choose custom URL of your meeting, and if you want to publish it, you can select that from here. And on the right side you can once again upload the cover photo for your meeting, and you can also add some tags. So the last thing that you can sell to your audience is the course, and this is perhaps the option that you are waiting for. So to create a new course, you have to click on new course, and then you have to name your course. So let's name it course 1. You can provide subtitle, you can set the custom URL, and then provide the description. You can also select the learning objective of this course, and obviously if you want to make it paid or make it free, you can do that from this section. So it could be paid, it could be public access, it could also be completely free, and if you make it paid, you can set the price from this section. And if you want to feature the course on your site, you can simply click on yes. If you want to show the students count, you can select yes. You can also display the no limit and unlimited view words if you want, and on the right side you can see if you want the review section to be visible. You can also enable comments for your course, and then there is even some SEO settings, so you can set the SEO title and even give SEO description, so it helps your course to rank well on Google. And then you can upload the content of your course from this section, so you can upload the cover photo, you can upload the necessary files, you can also embed the video URL of your course if you have any, and last but not least, you can also add some tags to your course. So after you create your course, you will get redirected to this page, and from here you can add more details about your course with new sections. So let's add a section, and then on this section, on each section you can create as many lectures as you want. So let's create one, and in every lecture you can add different types of files, and these are the formats that are supported. You can also upload text or images, you can even embed video URL if you want. So let's go to course info, and from here you can obviously change some settings if you want, and on the curriculum section you can add as many sections as you want, and on each section you can add as many lectures as you want. So let's preview our course. So as you can see, this is my website. So as you can see, this is the course name and this is the buy button. And coming back to Teachify, so from the course 1 you can also visit some different section on this page. So if we go to the dashboard of this course 1, you can see some basic information or statistics such as the amount of students, the average completion rate of the course, the net revenue, and there is even a chart. So coming back to the actual dashboard, the main dashboard, we can also check out some other settings such as the sales. From here you can see details about your orders, the amount of orders that you are getting for your courses or other digital downloads. So these are the paid orders, enrolled by admin, not paid, refunded, and all of them will appear in this section. You can also see the coupon section, so the people who are using coupons will appear in this section. You can create a new coupon from this section, and as you can see, you have to fill these boxes to create the coupon. So let's go back to the dashboard, and now let's go to users, and on this section you will get details about your students, the people who are enrolling on your courses. You can also see details about the lecturers. So overall, I think Teachify is an excellent tool. It doesn't only let you create courses, it also lets you create the vital parts of the courses, which are the chapters, the sections, the lectures, and other than just courses, it also lets you create digital downloads, memberships. It even has the ability to let you host meetings or events. So all of them I think are a great feature for a course creator such as Teachify. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, you can check the link in the description below. So these are the features that you will get with this deal, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.